Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we re-tackling a moment every driver dreads. That little amber light pops up on your dashboard. Yep, the check engine light. It's the stuff of nightmares for some. But what does it actually mean? Is your car about to explode? Spoiler alert, probably not. Let's break down what's really happening behind the scenes. First things first, don't panic. The check engine light, or malfunction indicator lamp, is your car's way of telling you its onboard computer system has detected a problem. This system is called OBD2, which stands for Onboard Diagnostics, version 2. Think of it as your car's brain. It's constantly monitoring hundreds of sensors and components, from your engine's performance to your emission system. When one of these sensors reports a reading that's outside of the normal range, it triggers the light. So, what could be the problem? The possibilities are vast, ranging from something incredibly simple to something more serious. On the simple end of the scale, it could be a loose gas cap. I'm not kidding. A loose cap can disrupt the fuel system's pressure, which the OBD2 system will flag as an evaporative emissions leak. Before you rush to the mechanic, always make sure your gas cap is tightened until it clicks. Drive for a bit, and the light might just turn itself off. Moving up the complexity ladder, common culprits include a failing oxygen sensor or a bad mass airflow sensor. These sensors are crucial for managing your car's air-fuel mixture. When they go bad, you might notice your fuel economy getting worse or your car running a bit rough. Replacing them is a pretty standard job for any mechanic. Another frequent issue is with your spark plugs or ignition coils. These are responsible for igniting the fuel in your engine. If they're worn out, you'll experience misfires, which feel like a stutter or hesitation when you accelerate. Now, let's talk about the different ways the check engine light can behave. If the light is on and steady, it means the issue isn't an immediate emergency. You have some time. You should get it checked out soon, but you can generally continue driving. However, if that light is flashing or blinking, that's a different story. A flashing check engine light signals a severe problem, often a major engine misfire. This can cause unburnt fuel to get dumped into the exhaust system, which can overheat and damage your expensive catalytic converter. If you see a flashing light, you should pull over as soon as it's safe and turn off the engine. Driving further could lead to very costly repairs. Seriously, don't ignore a flashing light. So what's your next step? The key to solving the mystery is the Diagnostic Trouble Code, or DTC. This is the specific code that the car's computer stores, telling you exactly which system is reporting a fault. To read this code, you need an OBD. To scanner, you can buy one for yourself. They're pretty affordable these days and can be a great tool for any car owner. You just plug it into the port, which is usually located under the dashboard near your steering wheel. The scanner will then display the code. Alternatively, many auto parts stores offer free code reading services. You can just drive in, and they'll scan it for you. This is a great no-cast option to get a starting point. And, of course, any professional mechanic will have advanced diagnostic tools to not only read the code but also perform tests to pinpoint the exact cause. Remember, the code tells you where the problem is, not necessarily what the exact broken part is. For example, an oxygen sensor code could mean the sensor is bad, or it could point to a wiring issue or even an exhaust leak affecting the sensor's readings. A good mechanic will diagnose the root cause, instead of just replacing parts. In summary, a check engine light is a call for attention, not a reason to panic. Check your gas cap first. If the light is steady, get it diagnosed when you can. If it's flashing, stop driving immediately and call for assistance. Understanding what this light means empowers you to make smarter decisions about your car's health and avoid small problems turning into massive repair bills. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your vehicle. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this demystifies the check engine light for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more car care tips. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.